Welcome back to another episode of Mega Mining Operation. Today we're taking you straight to the Labrianidis mining site, where raw power, advanced engineering, and non-stop action come together. In this video, you'll witness two of the most powerful giants in the mining world, the Hitachi Zaxis 670LC and the Liebherr R976 Excavators, working side by side to load massive Mercedes-Benz and MAN dump trucks. This isn't just a mining operation. It's a masterclass in engineering precision and machine performance. From the roar of the engines to the synchronized movements of these mega excavators, everything here shows the real heart of heavy machinery in action. The Hitachi Zaxis 670LC is built for deep excavation, tough overburden removal, and long hours of relentless work. Its powerful Isuzu engine generates nearly 500 horsepower, providing the strength needed to dig through hard rock and load heavy material efficiently. The advanced hydraulic system allows for smooth motion, so every scoop counts. No energy wasted, no time lost. It's known for its durability and low maintenance, which means more uptime and less downtime, a key factor in modern mining success. Right beside it, the Liebherr R976 Excavator adds even more muscle to the site. We're talking about an 80-ton powerhouse driven by a high-performance Liebherr V8 engine, pushing out nearly 600 horsepower. Its huge 5.5 cubic meter bucket is designed for fast loading, and when combined with its efficient swing system, it can fill up a Mercedes or MAN truck in just a few passes. Watching it in action is pure satisfaction, strength and precision working hand in hand. Together, these two excavators create a rhythm. While one scoops and loads, the other clears and levels. The teamwork between machines and operators is simply flawless. Each operator is trained to perfection, knowing when to dig, how to angle the bucket, and how to time each movement so that the trucks never wait. That's the secret behind top-tier mining productivity. Now let's talk about the Mercedes-Benz and MAN TGS dump trucks. These trucks are true workhorses, built specifically for the mining and construction world. With powerful diesel engines, reinforced chassis, and heavy-duty axles, they can carry massive loads of rock and soil over rough terrain. The coordination between the excavators and the trucks keeps the flow of material continuous. A perfect example of efficiency and teamwork on the job site. This is where engineering meets endurance. Every part of these machines, from their hydraulic cylinders to the bucket teeth, has been designed to handle extreme stress. Both Hitachi and Liebherr use cutting-edge steel alloys and smart cooling systems to ensure long life and consistent performance, even in the harshest conditions. In the world of mining, uptime is everything. The operators and engineers here at Labrianidis know it well. Regular maintenance, precision checks, and real-time monitoring ensure that no breakdown stops production. It's a complete A to Z approach to heavy engineering. Design, build, operate, and maintain, all working together to achieve one goal: maximum productivity with minimum downtime. Let's not forget the visual beauty of the site itself. The dust, the sound of engines, and the coordinated movement of these powerful machines. It's like a perfectly timed orchestra of steel and diesel. The excavators load the trucks within seconds. The trucks roll out smoothly, and the next one moves in. A non-stop cycle of action and precision. The Hitachi Zaxis 670LC and Liebherr R976 combo proves that mining is not just about digging, it's about technology, teamwork, and engineering excellence. From hydraulic design to operator skill, every detail contributes to performance. These are the machines that move the earth, power the industries, and represent the strength of modern engineering. So, friends, that's the mega mining operation in full power. A perfect blend of human skill, mechanical strength, and engineering innovation. If you love real heavy machinery, powerful excavators, and true mining action, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps bring even more real footage, detailed breakdowns, and behind-the-scenes looks into the world of mining and heavy construction. Turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video and drop a comment below. Which machine impressed you the most, Hitachi or Liebherr? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more mega earth-moving power, where engineering meets raw strength.